trying to see.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rylan, and today I got a package. It is a pink package. I'll let you guess what it is in the comments down below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is it's an Ipsy bag. So I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's get to opening my Ittse. Ooh, I got a blue metallic bag. It's very pretty. There's nothing else in the bag. Ooh, I love this. This is so pretty. Alright, let's see what's inside. So we have a Sundays, Sundays, I think it's concealer or something. Oh, it's nail polish. Very beautiful. Alright, next thing that we got was a type of pen. I don't know what it is, but oh, it's eyeliner. It's liquid eyeliner. Now we have a peel-off mask. It's a charcoal peel-off mask. And it's from Pureheals. So, I wonder what this is. This is an eyeshadow. It's by I guess. And Ittse. Ooh, here's my July 2018. And my final thing is it has something to do with hair, I guess. But this bag is so soft and it's very metallic-y. And it's so cute. I love it. So yeah. So I got I think this is hairspray. Some very pretty blue nail polish. Some eyeshadow. A liquid eyeliner. And a black charcoal mask. So, yeah. I'll try out all this stuff on camera, but not today. So, thank you guys for watching this Ipsy opening. So yeah. Check out my other videos. And make sure to like and subscribe. And bye, YouTubie.